Hi everyone! Today is a big day. We're going on an adventure with some very special friends. Are you ready to meet them?
This is Lily. She loves to sing.
This is Tom. He loves to laugh.
And this is Maya. She loves to look out the window.
They are best friends, and today they are going on a trip together. They are going to ride on a big, beautiful toy train. It has a bright red engine, a cheerful yellow carriage, and a playful blue caboose. I wonder where it will take them. Lily, Tom, and Maya climbed aboard the train. They chose their seats by the window. The train let out a happy choo-choo. It puffed out a cloud of smoke and started to move.
We're off. Woohoo!
Maya looked out the window, eager to see where they were going. Their adventure was just beginning. The train ride was full of fun and laughter. Lily sang her favorite songs, her voice as sweet as a bird's. Tom told funny jokes, making everyone laugh until their bellies hurt.
Maya pointed out interesting things she saw outside the window. They played games, told stories, and even had a snack break.
Time flew by as they chatted and giggled. Being together made the journey even more special. The toy train sped across vast, sunny plains. The sun shone brightly, painting everything in a golden glow. Lily, Tom, and Maya looked out at the field stretching as far as the eye could see.
They saw playful puppies chasing butterflies and fluffy sheep grazing peacefully.
The wind whispered through the grass, creating a soothing melody. Next, the toy train chugged uphill towards towering mountains. The mountains stood tall and proud, their peaks touching the clouds.
Wow, look at how high they are.
Oh my gosh, they're so huge.
Lily, Tom, and Mia were amazed by their size. As they climbed higher, they saw sparkling waterfalls cascading down the slopes and heard the cheerful chirping of mountain birds. The air grew cooler and fresher, filling their lungs with delight.
The toy train then entered a mysterious and enchanting forest.
Tall trees formed a canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and creating dancing shadows.
Lily, Tom, and I felt like we had stepped into a fairy tale.
Curious squirrels peeked at them from branches and colorful birds sang sweet melodies. The air smelled fresh and earthy, filled with the scent of pine needles and damp soil. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the landscape, the toy train started to slow down. It had been an incredible journey full of laughter, wonder, and friendship.
It's time to head back, announced the train conductor, his voice filled with a gentle kindness.
But we had so much fun.
Lily, Tom, and Maya felt a tinge of sadness that their adventure was coming to an end. As they disembarked from the train, Lily, Tom, and Maya couldn't stop talking about their amazing journey. They had seen so many wonderful things and created memories that would last a lifetime.
That was the best train ride ever.
Let's do it again soon.
They hugged each other tightly, their friendship stronger than ever. The toy train stood quietly at the station, its bright colors gleaming in the fading light. It had carried Lily, Tom, and Maya on an unforgettable adventure, filled with joy, laughter, and the magic of friendship.
And so our little travelers bid farewell to the toy train, their hearts full of happiness and their minds filled with wonderful memories.
Until their next adventure.